Okay, the cloud we're seeing here over Viti Levu today is the cloud associated with Tropical Depression 15F. This is the depression that is being focused on now. There was an early depression, Tropical Depression 14F. 14F has now dissipated and is no longer a threat. What we're seeing here is the red areas are the very high cold tops of the thunderstorm clouds, which have been moving right around Viti Levu most of the day. And heavy rain that started in the north this morning has now moved over the east and south, and we're also seeing rain across Vanua Levu and Lomo Viti, including Ovalau and islands in the Coral Sea. There's also been very heavy rain across parts of southern Laos today, and that's expected to continue tonight. Looking at the forecast, if we move to, this is the situation at midday today. You can see Tropical Depression 14F is located over Fiji, and as we step forward you'll see the low start to slowly push northwards, and that's in response to that very strong high pressure over New Zealand away to the south there. That high pressure is pushing very strong trade winds up over Fiji, and so we're going to see the low just push northwards over the Asawas and up into warmer waters to the north of Fiji. And once it gets up there, then later on Friday, at about this point here, this is 6 p.m. on Friday night, midnight Friday night, Saturday morning, Saturday lunchtime, Saturday night. We can see the depression starting to deepen now. This is when the depression is most likely to form into a tropical cyclone, and that won't happen till late Friday or early Saturday. But until then, we're going to see rain pretty much continuous over Fiji. There will be short breaks in the rain. There's sort of break periods in the clouds, but the on and off rain will continue, heavy at times. And as that rain continues, accumulations will rise, rivers will get more water in them, flooding will become more of a problem, and overall the situation will start to deteriorate, and we could start to see some serious flooding of the major rivers by the weekend. But then as the system deepens, winds start to become a concern, as winds around the centre increase to tropical cyclone force. We're looking here at winds of 70 to 75 kilometres per hour, sustained with gusts up to 90 kilometres per hour near the centre. And they will probably stay at that sort of strength as this system moves through the Vatuvira passage between the two main islands and then down through Lomo Viti. It will catch the southeast corner here, the Greater Suva region. Will experience some very strong onshore winds from the southeast later Sunday, with some very heavy rain possible on Sunday as the system drifts away to the southeast. And it moves fairly slowly initially, but then by Monday morning it gets a real hurry up and heads off, and the next folks in line are the folks in Tongatapu in Tonga. They may get some quite significant impacts from this system later on Monday night and Tuesday of next week. Also evident here on this image to the west is another developing system south of the Solomon Islands. This is a new system we'll be watching next week. At this stage it's forecast to stay well away from Fiji, as we can see on the evolution of the forecast, but by now we're getting quite a way out. We're about 12-13 days into the forecast period, and really these are just speculation at this stage. So all we can really take out of this is that there's another system to come, and we better keep an eye on it and see where it goes. But for now, rain, heavy at times for the next 48 hours through to Friday. Then the system pushes north out over the water and deepens, and then Saturday night, Sunday, it comes through central parts of Fiji with a bit of a hiss and a roar. Probably Category 1, chance of it being a Category 2 cyclone, but I think that's more likely to be a Category 1 as it pushes through the Coral Sea and out towards Laos. that's the latest update for now. Next update will be in the morning.